Good morning, students. Now everyone take out your history book and history. You have to make 2 copies, one for classwork, then another for homework. And we'll do first chapter today. Chapter name is Knowing the Past. And in this chapter, we'll discuss about importance of history, then literary sources of history, then archaeological sources of history, then connection between history and geography. Now see here, different pictures are here, and these pictures belong to different period of history. Now firstly we'll discuss about what is history. History is the knowledge of our past. It is a story of human evolution from the Stone Age to modern times. Humans have changed a lot since the time they first appeared on earth. Now, studying history tells us the story of our ancestors. Ancestors means our forefathers. Their cultures, their lifestyle, traditions, customs, socio-economic setup, political systems, failures, successes, and their problems. And historians, people who study the past in a systematic way and record events. And Herodotus was one of the earliest scholars who studied history. And Herodotus is also known as the father of history. Now we'll discuss about importance of history. The study of past is important because our past has given us many gifts, like our civilizations, language, lifestyle, science and technology are all gifts of our past. Thus, in return, we should acknowledge our past contributions and interpret it in useful ways to shape our future choice. Now, studying history also enables us to link the present to the past, and in the process, we get to learn a lot about ourselves, the time we live in, and what shaped it. For example, relations between countries can be better understood by going back into their past. Most importantly, the past also teaches us to recognize the mistakes we made and guides us in the future. Thus, we end up making better choice. And next day we'll discuss about prehistory and history.